Hello YouTube, welcome to Vortex Mind. Today I will review the Panasonic 43-inch 4K TV, which I have been using for last 15 days. So let's dive in. By the looks, it has very thin bezel, top is black, bottom is silver, which looks very good. The panel is IPS panel, it has HDR feature, the screen is bright and vivid, color reproduction is very good, no pixelation was found while playing HD content. Now ports. It has 3 HDMI port, 2 USB port, a LAN port, coaxial port, and as Panasonic mentioned, all 3 HDMI ports are HDMI 2, but while I testing, I found that only one HDMI port support HDMI 2.0. It means it can drive 4K up to 60 fps. I have made another video explaining how to use this TV as a monitor which will drive a 4K resolution at 60 fps. I'll put that link in the description below. Now the main part, video quality or display quality. Color is vivid and pleasing, blacks are great, color pops, no tearing and pixelation while playing Full HD contents. As you can see above, that video was recorded from Hotstar casting. The viewing angle of this TV is also good. The audio quality of this TV is also good. It supports DTS surround sound. Audio is crisp. I normally use the volume slider to 20. It's enough for me. I think it will be enough for you also. Now, the video audio format support in USB play. So as I mentioned, it has 2 USB ports. One is the back of the TV, one at the side. The side one is USB 3.0. So you can play the movies from USB drive or external hard disk drives. But I found one issue here. While playing from USB stick or external hard disk, the video audio sync issue was there. Usually video was little bit ahead than audio. So it was really frustrating. So now I'm not using to play the video from the USB ports. Chromecast. It has Chromecast built in. No need to buy external dongle for that. Inbuilt Chromecast does not take any HDMI port, which is very good. To set up, use Google Home app and follow the instructions. Here are the apps that support Chromecast. This TV does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. To use Chromecast, press the Chromecast button on the remote and the device has to be in the same Wi-Fi network. From there, you will see this small icon on the top of the app. If you press that, now it will be cast to the TV. What I liked, the built-in Chromecast is very handy. Not only it saves you money, also it saves an extra HDMI port. There is one option called switch off display. Using that feature, you can only listen to the audio while the display will be shut. That is very handy and it saves energy. Things I didn't like. As I have mentioned before, while playing video from USB ports, the video audio sync issue is there. That's why I cannot watch movies from my USB drives. And one more thing, the TV does not come with an extra pair of HDMI cable. So you have to buy an HDMI cable so that you can connect your set-top boxes or any video devices to the TV. So in a conclusion, I really like this TV at this price range. I'll recommend you to buy this 4K TV and see the huge difference from the Full HD TV. Thank you. Bye bye.